Here we're going to look at the published budget document. So the published budget document itself, so the Word document or the typed and handed off as a presentation document, it's going to include quite a few things. Let's go over these a little bit. It's going to include the proposed operating revenue, so what we're going to bring in, proposed expenditures, what we're going to expend or the money going out. It's going to have a proposed capital budget in some instances. This is money that we're going to do or reserve for large projects. It's going to have what I call a reader's guide. So this is going to be the preface and the highlights of each section. Basically help somebody navigate the document. It's going to include the vision, mission, and goals of the department to provide the core direction and measures for the overall budget. Then we're going to talk about the budget philosophy. So these are going to be things we've mentioned before with our philosophy and structure. And these are the fundamental commitments associated with the budget process for your budget. Some other things we'll have in the document itself is some current challenges, the things we had to overcome to complete the budget process, or the major challenges the organization or agency has faced. The significant or proposed budget changes, so if there's some major changes within a document, we want to highlight those. Some future issues and trends, so things that we should look for into the future regarding how we're going to expend or collect money. We should have an organizational chart, so showing how the agency or department is organized professionally. Then we're going to have a couple summaries. We're going to have a revenue summary, which shows all the money we collected in the past year, or we anticipate collecting in this year, one or the other. And then we're going to look at expenditure summary. So we could probably do this in the same ways. We could have our expenditure summary from last year and our expected expenditure summary for the upcoming budget. And then we want to look at the details of the budget. So that's going to come after all those things. And we're going to have a very detailed budget to follow. Overall, the budget document presentation is really dependent upon the expectations of the decision body. So if we're looking at a city council or a governing board or whatever, we're going to look to see what they expect from us as far as the document and the presentation of the budget. This could take a few hours to several days, depending on the structure of the budget, the size of the budget, the type of people that want to be in on the budget decision-making process. Frequently, we use a presentation to supplement the budget document. So we'll provide the budget document and we'll do a presentation with that. And we're going to cover presentation in our next discussion here. And on that, we want to make sure, whether it's in the document or in the presentation, we highlight the most important information overall. Next, we're going to move on to presentation.